G'day everyone, welcome back to the channel. Yes, another 1/72nd scale armour review, and this one I grabbed off eBay, just loose. It's one of those normal magazine type ones. You normally get a magazine with it, but it was just on its own and I got it cheap. And yeah, it is a SOMUA S35. Now this is a French tank from a batch of 23 S35s that was sent to North Africa to bolster the Vichy forces. Now after these forces switched to the Allied side, they would fight against the Axis forces in the Tunisian campaign, which it looks to be, this is what our model is from. Wow, that looks pretty cool though. These are relatively inexpensive. Sometimes they can look really nice. They're held on though with those really weird looking screws. You can buy a special tool that does have that head to be able to get them off the base. And we'll, speaking of base, get this lid off. And there we have this wonderful looking model on there. That does look pretty cool though. I like the camouflage scheme. The details on it are not too bad for such budgety models. You've got a little bit of stowage items on there. The aerial, well, you've even got a little aerial, probably is a little bit thick. The tracks will be the normal sort of plastic tracks, like sort of model kits. It's got some number plate details and some little unit markings on there, which is pretty cool. And if you're not sure it's French, it's got a big French flag there, as well as a French randell on the back. This should turn, yes it does. That is pretty cool. I don't think the small main gun will elevate or anything. No, that doesn't. But yeah, these are pretty cool little French tanks. They weren't too bad actually. They had some nice armour on them too, but that's sort of more support, I suppose, role, infantry support role. Wasn't the hugest main armament on these. Yeah, they eventually were obsolete. And especially they make the less common tanks as well, these DeAgostini tanks of the world range, I think they are. All right, well, hopefully you've seen enough of it because I'm going to wind up the video. We'll chuck it on the deck here. Yeah, all right, thank you very much for dropping past. If you enjoyed this short video, don't forget some of those my way, and also feel free to check this out on the little turntable at the end if you've got some spare time. If you're watching and haven't subscribed, smash that subscribe button, and always feel free to drop your thoughts down in the comments below. All right, once again, yeah, you would have seen those photos at the start. Thank you very much for watching. Happy hunting for your next model. And you all have a fantastic rest of your day. Cheers, everyone.